Fireground, Refreshing Part 2, released on Tresor. This release is a percussive techno journey, incredibly deep, incredibly immersive, incredibly hypnotic. Has some funky vibes injected in it, deeply intentional. It's a continued journey connected to movement and I would say staying present in the flow of the musical experience. It's a fantastic release. This one truly pulls you in. So enjoy it. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. Enjoy.